Okay, lighthouse L is due north of a Coast Guard station C. A boat B is 17 kilometers from the Coast Guard station on a bearing of 59 degrees. And the boat is 35 kilometers from the lighthouse. Calculate the bearing of the boat from the lighthouse. So from the lighthouse, that's where I measure the angle from. Bearings you always measure from north clockwise, so that's the angle I want. To do that, I've got a triangle here obviously, so I'm going to have to work out this angle here, and then I'll subtract it from 180. So I've got to find this bit. I'm going to call that L to help me. And now I've got what I call a known pair. So I know this part of the triangle with its angle, and that's a pair. For me, that means I use the sine rule. And when I use the sine rule, I always start with what I want to find out, which is L, and that's the angle. So that'll be sine L over the bit, the opposite from that is 17, equals sine on the top again, the angle 59 over 35. So sine L equals sine 59 over 35 times by 17, and so sine L equals 0.416338. And you need to keep quite a lot of accuracy, and we don't want to know what sine is, so we have to inverse sine to sine to minus 1 both sides, and that will vaporize the sine there and leave you with L equals 24.6036. I'm going to call it 24.6 degrees, but that's not the answer. That's this angle here is 24.6, and so therefore the bearing, because you have to measure it from the north, it's a blue bit of my thing, the bearing equals 180 minus 24.6, and so the bearing equals 155.4 degrees. And I've coloured in blue to show where it comes from, and that's question 18 done.